Okay guys, so today I decided I'm gonna make a compost bin out of pallets, and I'm not gonna use any tools, just in case there's somebody out there who feels like they don't have the means to make a compost bin. We're gonna do it with 4 pallets, some garden ties. You can use anything that ties. I don't even have any string, you guys, so I found these old wires that bend, and I'm going to use those to secure my pallet together. So let's see. I have had the compost tumbler for a year. I'm not really a fan. I've had a regular pallet compost just like this one. I even built one once that had, hinges on the door and everything. So I've had all kinds, and this is the one I like the best, just straight on the ground. Alright, so you're going to have to forgive all the sounds. My wonderful air conditioner is running and the bugs are always loud here in Louisiana, so forgive me. Here are my 1, 2, 3, 4 basic, not beautiful pallets, and I'm going to try to string them together so they are sturdy. So let's get to it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It really is just something to contain your compost. So what I'm going to do is try to just wrap this around. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Does this need to be super sturdy? No. The wind's not going to blow it over. I mean, if you live somewhere where you have predators that are going to try to break it down and get in there, then you might have a problem. But, I mean, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Wow. So, you don't have to have tools. The only time I'm going to need to get in the front door is if I'm going to stir it, flip it, or if I'm going to get some out. So I can just pull this door off. Now you can secure this. I could probably just hook this so that no animals are going to just knock it down. Boom. Okay. Wow. I still have one left over, so if I want to tie off this one, I can tie this off, and I'm not even having to tie it, I'm just twisting it, so it'll be easy to take off. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is behind my house. Got the trash cans, the other composter, the pool's over there. So this did not take me long. I just hauled these over from our compost pile, our pallet pile. And what I'm gonna do next is probably throw down. Actually, I'm just going to start putting compost in here, guys. I'm just going to start throwing stuff in. Let's do it. So, you can compost just about anything. The only things you don't want to put in your compost are obviously like plastics and meat and bones. But my meat and bones go to my animals, my dogs anyway. But everything else, paper towels, cardboard, fruits, vegetables, rice, bread. Let me know what I missed. All that stuff. So in here I have cucumbers that got too big, and peaches that were rotten, and a couple of paper towels. Gross. Okay. Coffee. I forgot coffee grinds and eggshells. So if you live in the city, you're probably going to want to get some kind of compost tumbler or something with a lid, so your neighbors don't complain about, flies, or sometimes it gets smelly, now and then it'll get a little smelly. But if you're doing it right, it's not going to get smelly. Have your layers, put some fresh stuff down, and then put some grass clippings or some leaves or cardboard. Then you put some more fresh. It's just like making a lasagna, and that'll keep it from getting smelly. So I used to have a pitchfork, but the handle broke, so I should probably get another pitchfork, because ideally with compost you want to slip the pitchfork in there and flip it every now and then to aerate it. Alright, you guys, so hopefully that was inspiring for you. that anybody can make a compost bin. You don't need any tools. Composting is so rewarding, and yeah. So I hope you feel encouraged, and I hope you keep growing, keep composting, and have an awesome day. Bye!